Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this Bora Portamate base makes mobilizing heavy equipment an absolute breeze. This is an industrial strength roller for heavy equipment with a 1,500-pound capacity, so it's perfect for power tools and machines. We wanted something that we could put this jointer planer on and be able to move it around the shop really easily because it's super, super heavy. So this was the perfect solution. This base is adjustable, so you can adjust the width and the depth of it to be able to fit your equipment. It was really easy to put together. Once we had it together, we popped the jointer on top of it, and look at how easily we can move this thing around. It is incredible. The swivel on these wheels are so smooth, and you can also lock everything into place, so it's just an awesome way to move things around. We have this here in our home workshop. We are not professionals, and so this garage gets used for all different types of projects. So it's really important for us to have all of our equipment on wheels so that we can move it out of the way depending on what type of machinery we're working with. So we would definitely recommend this base. Make your life easier. That's my point of view.